You have the option to set up a compensation check in the criteria screen. This feature is set up as a double-blind compensation check. That means that the applicant doesn't know what compensation the employer is offering, and the employer doesn't know what the applicant will accept for a salary. Only when the salary expectations of both the applicant and the employer match one another will the applicant pass the check and progress through the criteria. Click here to set up this feature. Click the button to enable compensation, and you'll see data from the Department of Labor that provides average compensation for similar positions. Select if the position is hourly or salary, and then enter the minimum and maximum salary amounts for your range. See how your range compares to averages from national and state levels, and add in a commission or a bonus if appropriate. If you'd like to advertise the salary range to your applicants, check the box to show salary range. Click Save, and your compensation check is now in place. If you'd like more information, click any of the I buttons for help.